What's going on, guys? So, as I know we're probably all aware by now, these things, the roof racks, factory roof rack sucks due to the shuttering. I've seen some fixes, sticky tape. Nothing's worked for me yet, so I decided I was going to take a few hours and figure this stupid thing out because I like the way the roof rack looks. I'm not buying a new one, and I'm not taking it off. So I'll show you what I got going on here. So pretty much what I did was I fabricated a bracket and I put 3 small nut certs, which are going to go right there. And I drilled the 3 holes. This is all aluminum. The rack's also aluminum, so there's no way to really weld it unless you got a TIG welder. So what I did here was drill 3 holes on the bottom face, because I think that's right here just flimsy, and I think that's what's really causing the shuttering. And so that bad boy is going to go right there, and we'll see what's going on. Like I said, the sticky tape method. So you can see right here, there, and there, it comes with these little rubber bumpers, but all that does was just kind of put a little bit of pressure on this back plate. There's nothing that's fastening this plate to the stabilizing bar right there. So I put this really thick sticky tape, and in the summertime it works good while it's sticky, but whenever it unsticks, you're done. So I'm gonna put all this together and I'll update you. All right, so I've got these bolts in. I'm not going to put these bolts in until I'm installing this on the truck, because this bar has to be taken off to sandwich between the arms of the truck. I kind of put some paper towels down just to hopefully save the paint. So we're gonna get this bad boy on there and see where that takes us. One thing I do want to add here, I made my plate out of aluminum. And this is not a how-to video, but I made my plate out of aluminum just because that's what I had laying around. You don't have to make it out of aluminum, and you could even make it out of steel and maybe even make it smaller. This is just something that I mocked up because I was bored, and you know where garage activities take you. Before I put this on, I do want to mention these are entirely too close to the roof of the truck. So I did grind down at an angle as much as I felt comfortable with having still some good thread length in the nut certs. I also just took the corners of these off because they are also ridiculously close to the roof of the truck. So I'm gonna get this thing on there and we'll see what it looks like. So when I tell you they're close, I hope you can see this. They are almost touching, but probably an 1/8 inch to spare. I also, you're not gonna be able to see it, but I think this will definitely fix the problem, I hope. I would suggest 2 people to take this thing off because I almost dropped it on my nice, good paint job. You don't want that. So yeah, I'm gonna try it out tomorrow morning, and I'll let you know if the buffering quits. So new day, put about 20 miles on the interstate with it. That's 75 miles an hour, which is where I really felt the wind buffering. So I guess the repair worked. Sad that Toyota product you have to put all this time and effort into to make it work the way you want it to. But this worked for me. I still have the sticky tape behind the little rubber bumpers. I think the goal of this is to get as much pressure on that faceplate as you possibly can without breaking it. Just something to really stiffen up the bottom of that lip where it's so thin. I think that's where all the vibration comes from. So yeah, it worked for me. If you want, like, subscribe. Maybe I'll make some more videos. I do a little bit of everything. So yeah, thanks for watching.